All right, what's up, you guys? This is Victor from V&A Furniture. Today, we're gonna be building some chairs. 2 chairs come in this box right here. I'm gonna show you the tools I use. So these are my tools I always use, okay? I got these Allen key ones. I got 2 different sizes. There's a small one, a big one, and this one too. There's a small one and a big one. And also, I got an extender for the drill, okay? When you're building furniture, make sure your drill doesn't have a lot of power. That's this Makita, the CXT. This one's perfect for building furniture. Doesn't break the wood. It's not too tough to crack the wood, okay? This is really important. Also, I got some organizers. I organize my screws on these. So, also, this is what I carry in my pocket every day. One of these bad boys, okay? This one's amazing. I like this one, the Milwaukee Fastback. This is pretty dope. This is what I carry all the time. So let's get started. All right, first I'm gonna open this. All right, and I'm gonna show you guys how to level these chairs right here. Okay. Instructions, really important. All right, what I like to do is organize all my screws, all the legs. Okay, so the one I'm building is a low chair. It's not a high chair, so these are way easier. Okay, so okay, we got our screws here. Boom. If it wasn't because of these organizers, my brain can't keep up with all these screws, okay? So I'm gonna organize everything, put the washers to the side. All right. So don't let me bore you. Let's time lapse this. Okay, we're all done right here. So let me show you guys. Okay, got them all separate right here. The lock washers, the washers, and you know, we got these have 3 different sizes. There's a small, medium, large. Okay, let me show you guys how that goes on the chairs. So okay, so first we're gonna start with one. Start with this one. Okay, usually all the small ones go right here. Okay, so usually all the small ones go right here. Okay, the long ones always go back of the, what's it called, the chair. Okay, so all the small ones I'm going to show you guys. It usually almost every chair every chair, it goes like that. The big ones, small ones, medium ones go to the leg. Okay, so I'll show you guys right now. Hold on, let me just, you know what I forgot to do? Put these together. Let's time lapse that too. All right, you guys. So I was looking at the instructions right here. We're not gonna build it like they say. I know you're like, oh, how are you not gonna follow the instructions? But I'm gonna show you guys. Look what it does. Okay, it says build the legs first. Put the chair. Do the legs first. What I like to do is do the back first because it's easier. Okay, you may think not, but I'll show you guys right now. Okay, so okay, let's I'll show you guys. Okay, remember what I said. Always put the small ones first. Okay, just do a hand tight on these. Don't tighten them up yet. And then these are the big ones, okay? You're gonna see a lot of chairs. There's one medium, one big, okay? If you put this in the leg, it's gonna crack it. So let's say you put it up here, it's gonna crack your leg. Always pay attention to what you're doing. This one, the long one, goes to the back. It needs more support back here. Okay, so long ones. These are all hand tight, all right, you guys? Hand tight, hand tight. Don't tighten them up yet because we're gonna level the chair. Hand tight, hand tight. All right, all right, all right. Now we're gonna put these on, okay? Boom. Legs. Okay, legs, don't forget. Medium. These are the medium ones. All hand tight again. Cool. Okay, let it go. It might be like this. You see how, that's fine. You can tighten it up a little bit more, as much as you can. Okay. As much as you can with your hand, okay? So, boom. See that? Okay. We're gonna do the next one. Okay, we're gonna put it on a flat surface. Okay, make sure it's flat, all right? Make sure your legs are touching. These are all touching. Okay, they're all touching. Okay, after that, what you do, get the drill. Okay, we're gonna get the drill and we're gonna put the extension on there. Extension, and this one is the standard one. That there's this Allen key that all the stores use. Well, all the furniture, what's it called? All the furniture warehouses use. So I don't know the size. I'm not a pro in tools, okay? But we're gonna tighten this up. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna show you guys. So we're gonna tighten. Well, first. Oh yeah, this is another thing you guys need to know. Screw these on first, these two. Then you're gonna screw you're gonna do an X. Screw here, screw there. And you do it again, okay? You screw them all the way around, okay? But then same thing over here. Do like an X kind of. Well, actually, back here you don't really need it because these are just one piece. So just screw these on, screw these on. It's only for the back, okay? Let me just screw it on, okay? Okay, you guys, my chair is not leveled. Look. When that happens, you have to unscrew all of them again and do it all over again. So, I'm just gonna time lapse this part and make sure I get it right. All right. So you guys want to know what I did wrong? You gotta put pressure on this, hold it down while you screw it on. So, I'm gonna put pressure. There you go, let's see it. There you go. Okay. So now it's all steady. Now, if your chair moves, see, put it on the floor. Right now, like right here, it's fine. Where was it at? Okay. That's a big difference. See that? Right there, it doesn't move. Okay. So sometimes your floor may be unleveled. That's why I like to build it on a flat surface. Okay. Hopefully that helps you guys out. I'm gonna have the tools on under the link below, and I'm just gonna build the other one. I'm just gonna time lapse that. Hopefully that helps you guys out. Peace.